In today's fast-paced world, maintaining focus and discipline has become one of the biggest challenges. Distractions are everywhere, such as social media, notifications, emails, and an ever-growing list of daily tasks. If you don't prioritize your goals amidst all this chaos, you might fall behind. The good news is that with the right habits and techniques, you can sharpen your focus and strengthen your discipline. Today, we will discuss 10 practical tips that will help you stay focused and disciplined in today's demanding world. If you want to uncover the true secret to success, I highly recommend watching one of my other videos, The Secret to Success, Harnessing the Power of the Subconscious Mind. In this video, I explain how to effectively utilize the power of your subconscious mind to achieve your goals. It offers practical strategies and actionable tips to train your mind for success. Be sure to check out this video. The link is provided in the description. After watching it, you'll experience a significant transformation in your life. Now, let's dive into the 10 tips that will help you maintain focus and discipline in your daily life. 1. Set your priorities. In today's world, multitasking is often seen as a skill, but the truth is that multitasking can reduce your productivity. For example, if you are simultaneously working on emails, checking social media, and tackling a project, you won't be able to fully focus on any one task. Instead, start your day by identifying the 3 most important tasks and complete them first. Focus on one task at a time and see how your work improves in both quality and efficiency. 2. Embrace digital detox. Checking notifications every 5 minutes has become a habit for most of us, but it severely impacts our productivity. Imagine if you're checking your phone every 10 minutes, your focus is constantly disrupted. The solution? Digital detox. Keep your phone on silent mode during work hours and check it only during specific breaks. Use tools like focus modes to protect your attention from unnecessary distractions. 3. Break down your goals. In today's fast-paced life, managing large goals can feel overwhelming. For instance, if you have a project to complete, break it down into smaller tasks and assign a time frame to each. Achieving small milestones gives you a sense of accomplishment and boosts your motivation. This habit not only makes big goals more manageable, but also builds your confidence. 4. Practice mindfulness. In today's fast-paced life, our minds are constantly planning the next task, which weakens our focus. Practicing mindfulness, the habit of fully living in the moment, can help calm and center your mind. Spend 10 minutes daily on meditation or deep breathing exercises. This habit will help you stay in the present moment and steer clear of distractions. 5. Start your day right. The way your day unfolds depends on how you begin your morning. If you start your day by diving into social media, your mind will remain scattered throughout the day. Instead, kick off your morning with 10 minutes of meditation, stretching, and writing down your goals. A structured and positive morning routine can set the tone for a focused and productive day. 6. Take regular breaks. Did you know that working continuously for long hours can reduce productivity? For example, if you work for 2 hours without a break, your brain's efficiency gradually decreases. Adopt the Pomodoro technique, work for 25 minutes and then take a 5-minute break. This helps refresh your mind and allows you to stay focused for longer periods. 7. Eliminate distractions. In today's world, distractions are everywhere. Phone notifications, social media alerts, and even a cluttered workspace. Remove all distractions from your surroundings. Work in a quiet place and keep your phone on silent mode. Creating an uninterrupted work environment will significantly enhance your ability to focus. 8. Leverage modern tools. In today's digital era, technology can be your greatest ally. Use apps like Notion, Trello, and Forest to help maintain your focus. These tools not only assist in tracking your tasks, but also aid in better managing your time and energy efficiently. 9. Build the right routine. Discipline in today's fast-paced world is achievable only when your daily routine is well organized. Set specific times for waking up, working, and taking breaks. For example, if you dedicate 30 minutes daily to exercise and spend 10 minutes on gratitude journaling before bed, your routine will not only keep you organized, but also enhance your mental clarity. 10. Prioritize sleep. Staying up late to work or binge watch has become common, but it takes a toll on your sleep and productivity. Lack of adequate sleep weakens your concentration and decision-making abilities. Ensure you get 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night and turn off all gadgets 30 minutes before bedtime. This habit will help recharge your mind. Maintaining focus and discipline in today's world isn't easy, but with the right habits and techniques, it's absolutely achievable. Remember, small changes lead to big results. So, which tip are you planning to adopt first? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And yes, if you're looking to take your success to the next level, be sure to check out my next video, The Secret to Success, Harnessing the Power of the Subconscious Mind. The link is in the description. See you in the next video.